Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up the project and opening the timeline where the clip sits. Locate the target clip and note its exact in and out points, track, and any audio links. Import the replacement footage into the media pool and verify matching frame rate and resolution so edges and timing align. Once done, zoom into the timeline and select the clip so you're ready to swap without altering surrounding edits. This preserves transitions and keyframes as you move forward. With the clip selected, use Replace Edit from the source viewer or Alt-drag the new clip to replace while keeping the original duration. This maintains trims and transitions. If the replacement has a different frame rate, adjust clip speed or use retime controls to match duration and motion. Make sure audio tracks remain linked or manually relink them so sync stays intact. Also, scrub through frame boundaries to confirm cuts still land cleanly, and that keyframes behaved as expected. Finish by checking color, audio levels, and transitions across the replaced area. Render a short segment to verify playback. If color grading shifted, use Shot Match or Reapply nodes. If keyframes moved, use Match Frame to recover exact frames and reassign keyframes. For unexpected gaps, perform a ripple delete or nudge adjacent clips to restore timing. One key troubleshooting tip: if clip duration or sync is wrong, compare source and timeline frame rates first. That mismatch causes most replacement issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.